Alright. Stitch test here. We got a short stitch on a straight selection. And we'll lift our... And then this is the right side straight stitch. And then this is our zigzag slider. So that should be full width zigzag. And our stretch zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And our zigzag blind stitch. And blind hem. Another blind hem. Box hem. Okay. Now to shift into buttonholing, I did have to tap the reverse button, but let's get ourselves a very tight buttonhole here. One side of the buttonhole, and then we should be able to shift to 2 for the end, 3, buttonhole backward, and then 4 finishes the end. There. Okay, so that buttonholed. And now we're back at straight stitch, which I was doing too short a straight stitch and it broke the thread. So but I remembered scissors for my sewing machine project box now. So in my toolbox I have scissors and I can just trim the ends and rethread all these. There we go, straight stitch. There we go. Alright, our zigzag straight stitch is going well. And our... Okay. There we go. That's making our nice waffle pattern there. Excellent. Okay. All right. This machine is all set to go. So, ran it at high speed. It's not missing any stitches. It was able to continuously do all of this without breaking the thread. The issue came up when I had it set for too short of a straight stitch, which is a good way to cut your thread. Alright, this Kenmore Model 14 is good to go. Alright, very important note on selecting stitches with this Kenmore 14. The Stitch Selector, and this is a problem I've had with other machines that I never quite noticed, but the machine only selects stitches if you roll the knob to from right to left. That's clockwise. In buttonholing, you can go backward and forward. But the selector is constantly selecting from the front to the back, and then it's got a big drop off when you get around to the buttonhole area. And you can see it jams as it goes through the buttonhole area. And to get it to unjam, you need to make sure that you've got your stitch length in the buttonhole, and then push the reverse button all the way in, and it'll get to the buttonhole space. This happens going around the top of the cam stack. So this is the very top of the cam stack for this box stitch, and then it has to drop down to get to the buttonhole area. And I held the reverse button in as I was slipping back to the buttonhole area so that it would pop down there right away. So yeah, if you are trying to go from this box stitch over to the buttonhole area, you need to hold your reverse in to make sure that it can get over whatever little hump is between these two cams. Like I said, that is an issue I've had with a lot of different machines, getting into buttonhole mode. Sometimes you have to make sure that you've got your stitch length set for buttonhole, and then hold reverse so that it moves all of the fingers off of the cam stack to let it slip into buttonhole mode.